Denpasar right now, and just here where you see this one, this is the brand new mall, actually already 2 years old, but Trans Mall Studio in Denpasar, and they have even roller coaster. Unfortunately it's closed, roller coaster.
Okay, so now we are in Jalan Imam Bonjol. So Jalan Imam Bonjol in Denpasar also famous for business center, shops, and yeah, like furniture shop. So it's just like extended road of the Tekumar Street. So if you from Tekumar Street go straight to the south will be Jalan Imam Bonjol. As you see, the road is very busy. Yeah, it's just hustle and bustle life in Denpasar. So like I showed you, this one is the roller coaster.
So as you see, the traffic is quite big, and this is the mall and roller coaster. Sad as roller coaster is closed, however mall is open. And the traffic in Denpasar city, in this part of Denpasar, quite busy as you see. Not paid endorsement for Yamaha, guys, but we just park here, and that's how it looks. There's some business here, like Sweeney said, and the mall is there. Okay, we're gonna go there, see you there. Alright, we just arrived to the mall. We are in the basement, the parking is very nice, and we will see how it looks inside. Alright, we are inside the mall, and check this out, Lego thingy. It looks actually pretty nice. Trans Studio Bali. And Sayang here. We are actually next to the Bakmi GM. We're gonna have a lunch here, but later on. And Starbucks, obviously. And so basically the ground floor of the mall, they are restaurants, like a food court, something like this. Well, what I can say, this is just the mall, but the newest one, it's not new, it's already 2 years old. They finished it in 2019. But it's quite modern mall, I have to say. And at the same time, it's not so super busy actually.
Well, actually that Trans Studio Mall, they have it in Jakarta, and also they have it in Bandung. So this one is in Bali. I think that the one in Bali is much smaller than Jakarta and in Bandung.
So that's a little bit of the taste of big city of Indonesia here in Bali. But obviously not so, we don't have much people in Bali, right? So we don't need a huge mall here, but it's pretty nice anyway. And they have decorations, little bit like a Changi Airport. The same feeling, right, Annie?
Yeah,
something like this. Oh, monkeys. That's nice. So a lot of food around, but like I said, we are now big fans of the Bakmi GM. Not paid endorsements anyway, guys. But that's how it looks. And they have also Carrefour market, which is French market, French brand in Bali. And yeah, that's how it looks. Quite peaceful life in the mall. A lot of clothes around, and the very nice balloons with the countries' names. So many flags everywhere, but no Poland.
Maybe because Poland is not a famous country.
Well, Jakarta have 33 million people, Poland 38. Full country. Australia only 26. And is the Aussie flag there? I cannot see there. Alright, so this is the first floor. We was on the ground floor, and here is H&M, obviously, like everywhere around the world, and a very long hall. Here's some restaurant. Let's go here. There at the front is Samsung. Please, again, I don't sponsor Samsung company in Bali. Nowadays, I don't know, so many people thinking as I sponsor every company in Bali, but actually I don't sponsor anyone, just Bali itself. And the beautiful mall. But in the mall is so many shops and branded shops. What I can do, Optic says, good place if you wanna buy Ray-Bans in Bali, original one, not fake, because everywhere are fake after that. And have to be careful with that. Nice mall, but peaceful. But the most important thing is the mall is open, because in some countries in Asia, it's still malls are closed sometimes. So that's a good sign. Beautiful gelato here. I don't know, actually ice cream, maybe not gelato, but ice cream. And another some restaurant. Big chair. Good for picture, for Instagram probably. Green chair. Some restaurant. A lot of restaurants with ramen and Chinese food. So Levi's closed. Levi's. Alright, at the front is Trans Studio Bali. I don't know what is it, but it's something like a theme park or something. Do they have ice? Something with ice? No, I don't think so.
You know, the roller coaster actually.
Oh.
So yeah, they have like roller coaster.
But the roller...
Fun amusement park.
Yeah. But unfortunately, and as you see, it's closed, so sorry guys, but looks pretty decent, I have to say. And to be honest, if this will be open, I will go to the top of the roller coaster. I don't know how about you, but I will go. I regret as I didn't do it when they opened actually, but yeah, it's closed. Anyway, we're gonna stroll a little bit.
Before we are just not a big fan of mall, but nowadays.
But now, because it's nothing is happening, we are big fan of the malls and the noodles in the malls. So okay. So here we go, and this is the main lobby entrance and the Lego thingy. Time zone. Also, this is like a game zones. Like they have machines with the games you can spend your time with your kids. They will be for sure very happy. Some adults also, and I'm not talking about myself. Well, maybe a little bit. Anyway, that's how it looked like. And some restaurants, like I said, do they have honey? Do they have a third floor or second floor?
No, I think only 2 floors.
Only 2? All right. Okay. I hope little bit for the another floor, but
Yeah, just like I told you, Trans Studio Mall in Bali is just like the smaller version, you know.
smaller version. It's not like in
Jakarta.
even in Jakarta or especially Malaysia, Singapore, where you have 10 floors in the mall. No, not like this, but at least something. To be honest, my expression about this mall is that it's very clean, it's very nice, it's quite modern, but very quiet at the same time. Yes, honey, what do you think? It's not so busy.
I think this place is more quiet than Level 21 Mall.
Or beach walk even.
Yeah, so yeah. Let's have a dinner then.
Let's have a dinner. And this one, suki and barbecue. Polish people will laugh about that because suki, it means something. But yeah, barbecue place, very nice. And clothes, a lot of. Hello, how are you? People not so friendly. Maybe she's stressed. Anyway, Hawaii. Oh, they have an iBox with the Apple gear actually. Just really not so bad. Where is Sayang? Where is my Sayang? Oh, my Sayang is shopping with this lady. Maybe she will be more happy now. Anyway, that's how it looks, the shopping for every ladies who are watching us. Maybe you're gonna find something for yourself. For example, like this beautiful dress. Oh, by the way, I found Australian flag over here. Swiss, Taiwan, Australia, Japan, Canada, France, Belgium, Holland, Thailand, but no Polish. Just had some stroll to the iPhone, see what is the new, and check this out. Winnie is still strolling something around. Honey, what are you buying? What is it, honey?
This one. Nice.
Looks nice, pretty decent. What do you think? Nice?
Nice.
She's shy, I know, it's okay. So, Sayang, what did you got for yourself, honey?
I got my bracelet.
Bracelet? Nice, where is it? Oh, this lady already have it. Alright. We'll see. Many nice accessories here. So already into the hand. Check this out.
Ya sekarang cincinnya? Dah ini aja dah, ntar semua tak borong lagi. I said she offered me another things. I said, oh my god, I will buy all later on.
No, that's not good. That's not good. Only one, yeah. Ringnya?
Ini apa? Ini model baru.
Model baru.
Maybe this one. Oh my goodness, I will shop. You pay, honey, you pay.
What?
You pay, you pay,
What?
you pay now. This one is the fake Hermes, but look nice. I paid around, no, Damian paid around 170.
170k rupiah for the fake Hermes, what was worth 170,000 or at least 17,000, and we are matched now. Yes, honey? All right, and here is the newest Toyota in Indonesia, Toyota Race, very beautiful with the sellers. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
And check this out, if you're interested, only 240 million in Indonesia. They not offer to the foreigners. Well, obviously you cannot really buy under your name, so that's how it looks like. And this is where is Sayang? Always gone, I don't know. That's how it looks, the car, if you're interested. And oh my god, shopping again, big sale, 70%. So definitely something. Why we actually, honey, can you remind me why we actually decide to make a vlog in the mall? Shopping club. Alright, so our stroll is finished. The mall is actually smaller than I was expecting. Actually, I hoped it's little bit bigger. And now it's time for the lunch and dinner. Sorry, it's already 7 o'clock dinner. And we're gonna have in the Bakmi GM. So we are inside and Sayang have to order using her smartphone. So this is quite modern technology right now in here. And meanwhile, that's how it looks inside. Not so busy, not so busy. They have bringing people together. So basically you scan this one and order using the smartphone, and they should bring it to the table. That's probably to reduce walking around. Yes, honey? Sayang, focus, check this out. And the menu, yeah, the same like everywhere. And here we go, you have a barcode. Okay, honey, let's order now.
Let's pay.
Let's pay. Good luck. And again, this is not endorsement for this company. I'm show up, I'm joking. And we pay for all Bakmi 1, Bakmi 2, Siomai, fruit punch, and teh panas. Teh panas?
Yeah, I've got hot tea.
Okay. And all is total 133,500 rupiah, which is about $9 American. For every Bakmi lover, this is beautiful noodles. I will demonstrate how to put the soup. Well, it's actually not as easy how it looks like while recording at the same time. However, that's the ready-to-eat product. How many sachets of chili you already put there, honey?
1, 2.
You're not gonna go with 3, right?
Huh?
You're not gonna go with number 3. And look, opening by tip, because I don't know, they didn't give any knife for that. 3 pieces of chili inside. That's unbelievable. Smacznego.
Selamat makan.
By the way, that's how it looks, the mall outside. And they keep also the Balinese architecture, at least as the lobby. And even if you have a nice car, you can park at the front of the lobby. No, this is just Suzuki, but we're talking about S-Class Mercedes and the Land Cruiser, new one. And this is the name of the mall, if somebody are interested. It's Trans Studio Mall. Have to be careful because this is the big road, don't wanna get hit by the car. So meanwhile, it's already night. And it's actually quiet right now when I start recording.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Trans Studio Mall Shopping Day Part 2. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
See ya, take care.